Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishna, and if you like videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, basically everything, this is the channel for you. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, we are doing a minimal makeup routine for summer using Mars Cosmetics. So let's get on the video. So I've already prepped my skin with a lot of skincare, and I have opted for their latest launch, which is the Mars Zero Blend Foundation. Now the only catch over here is that I have not swatched the shade, so this will be the first time I'll be swatching the shade live over here. It was just a blind guess that I opted for. I usually don't opt for foundations like this. I usually swatch it, I go to the store and do it because I don't want to opt for any foundation that doesn't suit my skin tone. So this is literally a blind guess and I hope this works for me. The shade that I've opted for is Honey Gold 06, and I am little skeptical that will this suit me or not, but I'm gonna work it. So I've taken it on the back of my hand and I'm just gonna use a brush for this, praying that it works for me. So this is my left side and this is my right side. If I see in front of the camera, I do not see much of a difference. It has just evened out my skin tone. Also, I will be dabbing this with a beauty blender. Also, this is just one coat of it and I feel this is enough of the foundation that I need. I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender to blend all of this out, and I still have this side remaining. So this is my damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all of this out. And I'm gonna repeat the process on my right side as well. Right now I don't see much of the difference. Tell me if you see any sort of difference, because I really can't. This is my right side and this is my left side. I don't feel there's much of a difference. It's just my skin is little even now. So now that we are done on both the side, it is matching with my neck as well, and I am absolutely in awe that this one finally matched my skin tone. I was kind of panicking that will this suit me or not. So moving to the next step would be the blush, and for that I'm using the Mars liquid blush. Now the shade is Twilight and this is a liquid blush, and I had to try a liquid blush. It's a peachy shade. This is how the shade looks like. So I'm just gonna go in. That's quite a lot. It's really pigmented, but it needs quick blending or else it will become patchy. I'm gonna skip using the brush and I'm just gonna go in with the fingers because it's easier to blend and the product will also get a little warmed up. So it's a very subtle peachy shade. It is not very loud and out there. Also, I find it a little difficult that it doesn't have like that much amount of color payoff. I feel if it's little difficult to work with. Like you need to be very quick while working with it. I like my blushes to be little gentle on me when it, like, I want little time to blend this out because I don't want a product being placed and by the time I take my brush or my finger it settles that quickly. So it's kind of difficult for me, but I'll try to work it around once more. The next step would be for me is of course the brow. This is the first time I'm trying out a brow pencil. I have used brow products. I actually do not require a lot of brow products, to be very honest, but I wanted to give it a try only to my bald spots, and I have tried the Miniso one. Somehow I kind of like it. So I'm just gonna go in around my bald spots, which are somewhere here. So I didn't want it to look unnatural, and that's the reason I'm not gone fully covering the brows. I've done this and I'm just gonna brush this off and make it look more presentable. And this is the other side. So basically this will be the spoolie to brush out. So this is like much more brushed, even and more presentable than before. And for my final step, I'm going in with a red lipstick. Definitely not perfect for summers. I'm just gonna work this around. I'm not gonna use the complete color, just a little bit of it, and work it around with a brush. Now the color that I have is Color Bomb Collection and the shade is called Scarlet Soul. I'm just gonna take very little on the brush and just on the center and then brush it off. And this is the final lip look that I created using a brush and a dark lipstick. It's a very bold red color. And also this is the final look, very summery, very minimal. I feel it's a very effortless look also. This can be achieved for every single day. Now I also feel about this particular product that less is more with zero blend. I guess I still need to work around with this particular product. I still have second thoughts about this particular product. I am not very sure. I might have to work it around again. This feels very drying on my skin. Any which ways, I am a dry skin girly, so this one is little difficult to work, but I will try to work it around in my next video. I really loved this product. It really brushes out my brows really well. It's very precise and it is affordable as well. And of course I do not have to talk anything about this particular lipstick. This is one of the best lipsticks that I have used, which is in an affordable range, and I feel I love the way my lips are looking right now. It gives a very nice Korean vibe. So what do you guys think about this particular look? Do let me know in the comments below. I have listed down all the products that I have used and also the foundation shade that I have used. And if you like this video, please do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up. Also do not forget to follow me on all of my social media, link down below. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and miss me.